Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how I made wall art with homemade texture paste. I started by preparing my canvas and taping the edges with masking tape. When the canvas was ready, I started preparing the texture paste. I added 12 tablespoons of modeling gypsum or plaster of Paris, 8 tablespoons of wood glue, 50 milliliters of water, mixed it for a little bit, and then added a few drops of vinegar. Next, I mixed it all thoroughly until the texture was smooth and free of lumps. And my texture paste was ready. This is how consistency looked like. This texture paste becomes harder slowly, so I started with my art directly. I was using this texture spatula. I made it myself from a piece of hard plastic, but you could also buy those online. I will leave a link in the video description. I mixed my texture paste one last time and spooned it from the bowl onto the canvas. Next, I spread the texture paste across the canvas to create an even layer. I did it with a spoon, but putty knife would work as well. When the layer of the texture paste was even, I started making a texture with the spatula. I knew what kind of design I was going for, so it was easy to create it without making a lot of mess. It did take a few iterations though to achieve a pattern I was happy with. After I was done with creating a texture, I removed masking tape while the texture paste was still soft. And then I left it to dry for a day. The day after, I continued with painting. I mixed the terracotta color myself from red, yellow and blue and painted each shape with different shade of terracotta color. I taped over the edges with masking tape so I could paint the sides freely. I covered each shape with 2 or 3 layers of paint until I got to the right shade. After finishing the painting, I removed the masking tape and touched up any imperfections with white paint. And this is the final result. Check video description for the products I used and don't forget to like and subscribe.